Hey everyone, welcome to Brad's Food Review. Now we're also going to on this one we will try out the cranberry Pepsi. A little later, but we're going to try some chicken tenders. We're going to use the KFC sauce, and then the honey barbecue. This is the KFC sauce. Is right here. And then we'll show you the honey barbecue in just a moment. All right, that's the honey barbecue. So, so in this tender here, we're going to dip it into KFC sauce first. One more. And we'll do the honey barbecue. This is the honey barbecue. It is fall. So. All right. Okay. This KFC sauce, it kind of tastes like honey mustard in a way. And I'll show you in another video of the real honey mustard. This one tastes like honey mustard, and the taste of this one wasn't so great. Other than that, I'm going to rate this one KFC sauce as disappointing 5.9. This honey barbecue with the tenders, I'm going to stick with them. I'm going to give this score an 8.9. And that is it for this food review. So if you like this food review, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel called Brass Food Review. And thanks a lot for watching. You guys. Bye-bye. So, thanks for watching this video on my channel. If you like the video, give me a like, comment on this video or any other videos I posted, and subscribe to my channel. It certainly helps me get the views that I'm looking for, and do all that good stuff that I send you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye bye. Da, 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 da.